Hi, dear student, welcome online classes. Student, last lecture we were discuss about geography chapter number 2 landforms. Student, there are different landforms on the earth surface, for example ocean, glacier, plateau, valley, hill, inland, mountain, number of landforms are there. We already discussed different types of mountain, formation of mountain, okay, valley, then flora, people, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Today's important point, life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Look at the image. This is a physical map of India. The Ganga and Brahmaputra river, most important river in India. The tributaries of the river Ganga like Ghagra, Son, Chambal, Gandak, Koshi, these are the tributary and some important tributaries of Brahmaputra river, okay, near the Tibetan plateau. These two rivers developed the very important plain. Name of this plain, Sundarban plain. Understood? Agriculture development, much more agriculture development in this region. Cash crop like sugarcane, jute, also grown, banana, plantation. Okay, tea and coffee garden is very famous. The vegetation cover of the area, the varies according to the type of landform in the Ganga and Brahmaputra plains. Tropical deciduous trees grow along with in these regions. Thick bamboo grows are common in the Brahmaputra plains. The delta are covered with the mangroves forest. Understood? It means that the climate and overall natural vegetation is very thick natural vegetation. Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh coniferous trees are there. Understood? Some important wild variety or wild animal located in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The paddy plantation in Bengal, look at the image. West Bengal, the paddy plantation is very famous. There is a variety of wildlife in the basin. Elephant, tiger, deer, monkeys, lot of animal. But agriculture development is very good. West Bengal, a rice crop and the paddy plantation is very famous. Okay, next, Assam. Over all the India, over all the world, Assam tea is very famous. So that's why these Assam tea and tea gardens most attractive in overall the country. Wild animal, one horn rhinoceros. Okay, the one horn rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain in the delta area. Okay, these rhinoceros located in Kaziranga National Park, located in Assam. These rhinoceros is वेरी फेमस इन ओवरऑल द वर्ल्ड. पूरे विश्व में ये वन हॉर्न राइनोसोर अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. ये सिर्फ हमें इंडिया में काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क में मिलता है. मीन्स ये गंगा और ब्रह्मपुत्रा के बेसिन में मिलता है. अंडरस्टूड? देन क्रोकोडाइल. ओके, दिस क्रोकोडाइल एंड alligators are found. Aquatic life abundant in this fresh river water. The lake and the Bay of Bengal Sea, the most popular varieties of fish and these crocodile available on that particular area. ये फिश भी और ये क्रोकोडाइल भी ये गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर के वाटर में हमें दिखाई देते हैं. देन बंगाल टाइगर. The water of these areas, okay, is very fresh water. There are number of tiger and wild animal available on the particular regions. Understood? The culture and climate. The climatic condition is very good. Monsoon type climate. The bring rains from the mid June to mid September. The summers are hot and the winters are cool. समर सीजन में बहुत ही टेम्परेचर रहता है और विंटर में कोल्ड टेम्परेचर रहता है. दीज आर द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑफ गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन. Wild variety and natural vegetation cover is very good on that particular area. ये एरिया में नेचुरल कंडीशन बहुत ही अच्छी है. क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, वाइल्ड एनिमल हमें दिखाई देता है. बंगाल टाइगर है, वन हॉर्न राइनासोर है, ओके, क्रोकोडाइल है, फिश है. दीज आर द वेरी गुड कंडीशन on that particular area. Next, tourism. Tourism is another important activity of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Taj Mahal on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra, Allahabad, one of the confluence of the river Ganga and Yamuna. Okay, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Lucknow with is the Imam Raw, Assam with Kaziranga and Manas with wildlife sanctuaries, and Arunachal Pradesh with a distinct tribal culture are some of the places worth a visit. पूरे के पूरे गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन में टूरिज़्म एक्टिविटी डेवलप हुई है. बहुत सारे लोग अदर कंट्री के और इंडिया के लोग देखने के लिए जाते हैं. रिवर वाटर में जो सीप और बोटिंग है ये भी काफ़ी कल्चर फेमस हुआ है. सो टूरिज़्म इंडस्ट्री इज़ वेरी फेमस agro based industry. It is called as agro based industry or tourism based industry. Student, this is the plane and the physical location of the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Okay, this is the exact and physical features on this basin. Important cities. The important city of this area means Lucknow, Varanasi, Patna, Allahabad. These are the important city. The topographical map. The Himalayas mountain, near the Himalaya mountain range, located on the north basin. Okay, Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The important city. Okay, Kolkata, Lucknow, Patna, Varanasi. These are the important city located in the north basin or Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Understood? In the fresh water of river Ganga and river Brahmaputra, a variety of dolphin, locally called susu, also called blind dolphin, is found. The presence of susu is an indication of the health of the river. ये रिवर में गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर में अभी डॉल्फिन ब्लाइंड डॉल्फिन भी अवेलेबल है. स्टूडेंट, हमने ये लेसन में लैंडफॉर्म, ये लेसन में पूरे के पूरे अर्थ सरफेस पे जितने भी लैंडफॉर्म अवेलेबल है ये लैंडफॉर्म का स्टडी किया. माउंटेन, वैली, रिवर, प्लेन. ओके, द लास्ट पॉइंट, लाइफ ऑन द गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन totally depend on nature and totally depend on agro-based industry and tourism industry. Understood? My dear student, I think chapter number 2 landform finish. Next online lecture we will discuss about question answer. Okay, thank you, take care.